Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and here we are isolated. You know, everybody in the world's getting stuck at home, nothing to do. I laugh because I had a friend call and say, has this really changed your life? And sadly, I had to think about it, and it has not a great deal. My wife and I both are at home. Her business is done from home. I'm retired, and this is where I hang out with my wood shop. And so basically we're here anyway. So guys, I want you to leave me some comments down below. What have y'all been doing since you're having to stay at home, since so many businesses are closed? Just give me an idea. And guys that are new people that are out there doing woodwork, let's see some pics. I want to see what y'all are making. And especially the ones that have made CNC machines off my videos. I've corresponded a lot with them. I'm excited to see what you're doing. And with that, today, I am going to do some CNCing. Not sure that's exactly how that's said. CNCing, my inner Hicks coming out. So what I'm going to do today is something that's actually practical, something that is useful. It's not a sign. It's going to be about yay tall. And I'm not going to tell you what it is. It's something interesting that somebody asked me about if I could make something for them. And I sat up last night, designed it, and we're just going to see how it goes. So here we go. That was it, guys. As you saw, it was a phone holder for doing live broadcast. So my pastor hit me up about it, and he's been doing a lot of messages lately on Facebook and needed some way to hold his camera. He told me, or his phone, he told me he was just taking his phone and just leaning it up against something. And as you saw, it's a pretty big hole for it. His got the big, I don't know, iPhone 10 or 11X, whatever. It's huge. This is just my little normal 8. His is like that much taller. It's amazingly big. So that's why I made the port for it so big, to slide it in. So as you saw, I did it with a 15-degree angle on it where he could set it on its side and get the wide view. This is also a 15-degree angle, and that's what I cut both of them at. This isn't something I read, I don't know. I just shot from the hip, came out here and played with it early this morning, and it just seemed like to be a good angle to shoot from. So the other thing I want to tell you about, I hadn't mentioned it. If y'all hadn't checked out Smokey Uncuffed yet, go check it out. I mean, I'm doing some cool stuff. I'm actually doing an interview today with a deputy. And if you hadn't gone over and looked at it, go to www.smokeyuncuffed.com. I've got some links up there. I've got all my podcasts on there. And that's not the only place you can find my podcast. You can find it on just about any platform that you listen to. But I'm just trying to drive that channel. I'd really like to get it going because I'm really enjoying it. I get to tell a lot of law enforcement stories on it. So with that, that's going to be it for this week, guys. If y'all haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.